Hello students, welcome back once again. This is the second video session class of chapter number 7, more on MS Excel 2010. So let's continue our chapter from merge and center. Now two or more adjacent cells can be merged to create a single cell using the merge and center option. Cell ani natraga ani dagi henba more two or more adjacent cells thangnaba ani natraga ani dagi henba thangnaba cell singse akoina single cell da punjanba yae ko merge in center toba mayai thamba jwe punjalaga mayai da center alignment na nahan mamangi class ta ki dusana alignment semaga koina center thamba yae. Follow the steps below to merge and center align the data. Step number 1, select the range of cells you wish to merge and center align. Nangna center tongningiba haidi alignment da center semingaga nangna merge tongningiba cell ani natraga ani dagi heba cell singdo select to biro. Click on the home tab. From the home tab in the alignment group to changaga click on the merge and center option. Sumaina tholagani merge and center option is sida click toro as shown in figure number 17 here. The merge and center option, the merge and center option is main tholagani sida click to biro. Merge to tawani hadi cell ani natraga ani dagi henba ko select to cell ko dimoto amma khatang da combine to ga amma khatang da punjan garane ba as well as alignment to center when same ne. Then merge and center is merge to aduga left da natraga right da align to center da align to ga mayai do na lahelane. This is how we use merge and center. Merge and center is a minus minus is a name for. Now let's see. Next topic is applying border. Akoina Excel da akoina semi bu khudimukse border amta yaugde. Though you may see boxes in an Excel sheet, but when you take a print out, when you take a hard copy, the box will not be there. It will be a blank page. Akoina Excel da box mayam ama uramba yai. Tawudabu hayeng akoina print out lorga hard copy che da oina chinthokpa matamdadi adugi box singdo amta uba phangoi. Just the boxes and the name of the boxes, it is just for so that we can apply formulas and functions. Okay, formula guma function guma apply to gana magi box amasung box guma main singdo kanya bibani, but when you take a print out, the boxes will not appear. Okay, so if you want to make these boxes, that is if you want to make uh, an Excel document like a applying boxes like a table to appear like a table gumna akoina boxes inju khangadi akoina box se akoina border oina hapchanba border line oina hapchalagadi akoina table gi mong semingasu Excel da semba yae. Now let's see how we can apply borders. Applying borders, follow the steps given below to apply a border to a cell or a range of cells. Borders can be applied to only a single cell or to a range of cells, that is a group of cells or a block of cells. Now select the cell or the range of cells you wish to apply a border to. Nana border semningiba kino do nang sembiro nang select to biro adi nana apply to ningiba cell singdo select to biro ama oigira ama dagi oiba mayam group of cells oigira select to biro. Then go to the home tab appearani in the font group. Now from the home tab you have to go to the font group, then click on the borders arrow. LIG as one in figure number 18 LIG stay on koina home tab ta chang matungda sigi font group chang kanda sigi arrow down the click to whenever. From here the border list appears. The border list will appear here. Click on the border you wish to apply. Nang apply tongningiba border do the click to birona bottom border ka tongningbra, top border tongningbra, left tongningbra, right tongningbra traga whole border do loinamak select tongningbra nang tongningiba border style segi khambirane. Then you will apply on the cells which you have selected. Nang select oiba cells into the apply to run. An example of border application is a border half of this mind. Now these when applying the borders, when you take a printout also these borders will appear. You can see these borders also. like a table gumna nang si happy box singje haying print out over matam su uwa phangani print preview de uwa phangani borders hapagadi but borders hapagadi boxes laiba excel laiba excel sheet laiba boxes singidi haying print preview na tranga print out over matam uwa phangoi. Now this is how we apply borders to an excel sheet. Okay, how we apply border to a cell or a range of cells. Now let's see how to add background color. Now adding a background color. Now these are the steps given below here. Follow the steps given below to apply a background color. Select the cell or the range of cell. This is also same as before. We have to select a single cell or a range of cells. There is a block of cells which where you want to add a background color. Select any formatting formatting hadi keno fazanaba color hapsanba background hapsanba anything tongingba akoina kenom hek toge haiba matamda any akoina formatting ama pangi hai matamda kedogani akoina hana select to bam change cell ama khakoi bi or range of cells hadi group of cells or bi okay. And then after selecting, what we have to do, we click on the home tab. We have to click on the home tab. Then from the home tab, in the font group, again we have to go to the font group. Now before for applying borders, we have to go here for applying borders. But for applying background color, we have to go here. We have to click the arrow down here and we have to choose the color. Now click on the fill color. This is the fill color button. Okay. From the fill color button arrow here, arrow down, you click here as shown in figure number 19A here. You can see here and select the required color. And the pamibo color do segi arrow down so click to biro. You pamibo color do segi can biro. You can see first na sinamana yellow yellow can be there, next na as it is white can be there, then orange, then as it is white later, next blue can be there. Maya nang apamado row by row or column by column or whole thing you can color as single color also. Color mo katana flow whole to sa kaide. Now this is how we add a background color. Now for adding background color also we have to select the cell or the range of cells. Koina kai gumba ama formatting ama pani hagadi ana select to ba mari chang select to iba jaga to khatang formatting do pan de hadi. If you want to add background color you have to select the first row here. Then you have to go to the fill color button here and you have to click yellow color. And after that you have to click you have to select the third row here. Then you have to go again to this fill color button. After that you have to add orange color. Then you have to select the fifth row here up to here only 1 2 3 4 to fourth column only of the fifth row. Then you have to go to the fill color button here and you have to click on blue. Like this you can color as many color you want according to your desire. Okay, now after knowing how to add a background, now let's see what is an auto format. There is a built-in collection of predefined layouts in Excel. These layouts have color backgrounds, borders, and attractive text formatting and can be easily applied to a range of data. Now follow the steps given below to display auto format button on the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar dagi koina auto format button je namaga koina sigi built-in collection of predefined layouts mayam ama haidi computer masana yaujarama layouts mayam ama yaweba. These layouts have yawi color backgrounds yawi borders yawi attractive text formatting text da koi tongana moina semaga piraba koina senjada bisa text formatting yawi and can easily be applied to a range of data hadi group of data da koina sijanaba yai heba natraga koina hayeng paning matamda masana auto oina format tawraga moina semaga lakjarabne. Now let's see here the steps. Step number 1, click on the customize quick access toolbar button on the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar dagi oina sigi customize quick access toolbar sida changi neba. Click on the customize quick access toolbar button on the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar to select dagi customize quick access toolbar sigi button jeda when I click over as shown in figure number 20 has the customize quick access toolbar option. The Excel options dialog box will appear. The Excel option dialog box. This is the Excel option dialog box. In shown in figure number 20B. When customize quick access toolbar click the see the quick access toolbar more commands more commands when say the command next step. Let's see the next step. Now click on the choose command from list box arrow and then click on the all commands from the list that appears. All commands click over and then all commands click on the 20C so is minor. The all commands click on the quick access toolbar the customize quick access toolbar ni set the customize quick access toolbar ni set according to the 8 option auto format auto format auto format apply all commands click on all commands all commands auto format click to customize quick access toolbar we are adding auto format into the customize quick access toolbar happy name season yam thuna sijanaba yanaba quickly access tawba yanaba quick access toolbar auto format select auto format option from the list box on the left side. From this list box you have to select the auto format and click on the add button to move auto format option in the list box on the right side in figure number 20D say tholak nabagi damakta the left right side da auto format click toro duga add button nambiro add ina sigi laiba say add button se click to matamda sumaina say auto format se thola ne adi sije customize quick access toolbar se the quick access toolbar da is yaw hai ni se yaw je ke no is save lai undo lai and redo and last is the auto format. We are adding auto format into the quick access toolbar. Now let's see how we can apply this auto format. Now till this step number 3 here shown in figure number 20C and 20D, we are just adding the auto format option into the quick access toolbar. Now let's see how to use this auto format. Step number 3 auto format option quick access toolbar add option quickly access quick access toolbar hapadi quick access toolbar auto format apply to season customize quick access toolbar hapane auto format apply to let's see here. Now click on OK. Add OK. The auto format button will be added on the quick access toolbar. Just as I told you just now. Now follow the steps given below to use auto format option. Auto format option steps. Let's see here how to use the auto format. Select the cell or range of cells you wish to apply auto format. Now just like before we did for the first and second topic for applying border and adding background color, just like that you have to select the cell or the range of cells which you want to apply the auto format option. Auto format apply to select then after selecting the group of cells, range of cells, now click on the auto format button on the quick access toolbar. Auto format button to click to below the auto format window will appear displaying a variety of options shown in figure number 20E. Some auto format styles the variety of styles see the auto formatting you can scroll down to see more or more options. Okay, options my style nang sum chingdaraga makha su mayam ma yawi ko adu mam chingdaraga yengo nang apama khalo select the desired option from the available patterns. Now from the available patterns here different styles you can choose which styles you want from the patterns given here, then click on OK to apply the setting. ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯤꯗ click OK ꯅꯝꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯅꯪ select ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ OK ꯅꯝꯕꯤꯔꯣ OK ꯅꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ apply ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ select ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ click ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯪ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ select ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ pattern ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ styleꯗꯨ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ apply ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ. Now this is how we use the formatting auto format option. Auto format option is just first of all we have to add to the quick access toolbar. The customize quick access toolbar changani quick access toolbar gi right side arrow down the customize quick access toolbar customize di lawthokera natraga hapchangera haibuni ko quick access toolbar sigi lawthokera natraga hapchangera di quick customize changani customize changaga quick auto format si customize quick access toolbar di da add tawsarani then the changa kanda sigi display toriba patterns available pattern mem style mem sigi na pam du khalaga click upon OK toraga na select toriba cell sigi da apply torone. Now this is how we apply the auto format. Now this is practice time. This you can practice at home. Create the following worksheet in Excel and use the auto format feature to format it. So the blue ko semaga si makha is color atopam happy si sumaina na yumda sana yumda semjaba yayebako. Just you can and erase the auto format by clicking on the undo button and paliba auto format to amu erase auto undo button sijaneraga undo redo button we have done. How can you now format the sheet on your own again without using auto format? Auto format sijanadabida siga chap manana nangna amu color sanjalba ngasagi adding background color thopa sijanaraga hapado adumai hapaga aduga font color font style change tawbasu nahan mamanga tawgre previous class da adudo hapaga nangna sana amu sijanaba ngambra yengo. Now you can apply this at home yumda computer laibasingda sana tawbasingje dum apply tawga yengo ko. This you can do as an home assignment in the practice store. Now let's see next about formatting numbers. How we can format numbers. When numbers is command format I have to let's see here. Formatting numbers. Number formatting implies changing the appearance of numbers without changing their values, such as adding percentage, comma, decimal place, and dollar sign. Now let us take an example to display the number 10,567 in a cell say B2 as 10,000. 10,000 say that in 10,000 you will put a comma here, then 567.00. Follow the steps given below. Now how to put two up a digit with two decimals and in the it will be in it and it will also be separated by a comma in the thousand place. Now let's see how to do the following steps. The is your number implied number formatting imply changing the appearance of the numbers to change so whenever percentage da ogira comma or decimal place or dollar sign da example in a 10,567 numbers is selam the display to ge haragadi koi comma ji 1000 na comma ji copy 1000 label label mapada comma copy raba and to be the step to let's see here follow the steps. Click on the cell B2. We have to click on the cell B2 here as shown in figure number 21C here formatting numbers. Now click on the home tab. Now then we have to go to the home tab in the cells group. From the home tab you have to go to the cells group, click on the format button as you have to click down in the format button you have to on the right side of the format button you have to click on the arrow down here, then format cells. Where we have to go to the format cells. Now from the format cells from the list that appears in 21A here, the cell format cells dialog box will appear in 21B. Now it will appear like this in 21B after selecting the format cells. Now format cells dialog box appears here. Now from here you have to you have to click on the number here. Number is the click to birani. Format changa format cells click to birani. Format cells click to bira matungda sida format cells sigi format changa ni arrow down se to matungda se list map tholani list map sigi sigi format cells da click torani se click tor matungda sigi format cells dialog box se si thoklani si thokla matungda si number sida click to birani aduga akoina decimal places leida 2 thambirani ba haidi number duki matungda decimal places 2 box low na bagi damakta akoina 2 thambirani ba decimal place 2 box low haine sisna ko. decimal mari mangal le decimal matung number mari mangal di only 2 decimal places will be taken. Number ani katang lo ni decimal matung na haidi point ki matung number ani khalo ni. Okay, laura matung na digi sida use thousands separators hai jina kaino thousand mapada comma thambiu hai ne je comma lai je check box je tick to biro adi sida 10,000 sida comma le ni 567.2 decimal places na 00 ni le ni. Dosi masing atopa laga ju number 3 digit lower only 2 digit kadang lo ne ba but decimal say only 2 digit lo with the mota sida decimal places we are giving have 2. If you give 3 decimal places say ohum bok do ne aduga sida cell B2 hai jo koina 10,567.00 si study uba phangi but formula bar dadi si comma si ju yawroi ma maning da leba point ki matung da leba decimal places ju uloi ba only the actual number do hadi 10,567 do aduga tang une formula bar kaino the formula bar da comma hape di comma hapagadi tungan ba topa formula ma oina chakhi de ne ba pe hin comma si jana bagi dum se na koina comma ke kem ta yaw be this dadi formula bar the only simple actual number 10,567 no katang display down but here in the cell nang apamba decimal place value kya no 567 10,000 si display to bune se understood hangni ko sana je now let's see here enter 2 in the decimal places box so you got 2 dot decimal places box koina I know sana ho jabo the decimal places mafam da 2 thambiro adi point ni matong da masing ani bolo ba yana ba it will display number with 2 decimal places now click in use thousand separator checkbox to separate numbers in thousands by a comma 1000 mapada comma kolaga hadi 10,000 hai comma laga 567 julen 1000 mapada comma na separate on by the mota checkbox to click to biro click on apply to apply the settings apply settings on click to biro now you can see that the value 10,000 by the comma line 567.00 two decimal places have na 00 ni lani is displayed in the cell B2 the display to however the formula bar still displays the plain number the actual value plain number 10,567 do katang as on figure number 21 sida sana ho jai gitu only formula bar da di kadang ne ba plain number sigi 10,10567 se katang display ta ne si comma ji yaw si point ji yaw this is because the change is only in the way the number is represented in the cell and not in its actual value that nate magi koina display to masing do mana parama monga display to ni do aduna tangina koina cell da tang display to ni si je but in the formula bar di magi actual number si katang plain number si katang une number formatting can be applied to a cell amuk tani apply to bi column amada obi row amada obi or range or group of cells to obi or to the entire worksheet ta loina makta pan ba su ke su kai di ba koina entire worksheet click to ha gadi koi select entire worksheet ki button do click to bitare natraga keyboard ki control a nam tare koina select to raga apa su kai de or koina pamni ba cell ama natraga column ama natraga row ama da select to su kai de or some group of cells da apply to su kai de natraga entire worksheet to da apply to su kai de to bu akoina tawgada sing do hana select to bitare select to raga akoina pamni port da apply to video ni now this is how we format numbers now let's see about creating series how we create what is creating a series and how we create a series using autofill handle now if the value that you enter in one or two adjacent cell match an existing entry or follow a pattern Excel will automatically enter the remaining characters of the series for you this feature of Excel is called autofill akoina autofill sijanabji autofill sina karino ha kana akoina value natra akoina kaiguma value amma natraga ani adjacent cells thangna basida hapa matamda or some existing entry had follow a pattern number follow to matamda Excel will automatically enter the remaining characters of the series for you mana masa matonda fill to jarakane autofill handle sijana click to matamda koina haibadi karino hagadi koina some pattern koi match da su koi pattern piba matamda 1 piraga mathangda 3 pire mathangda 5 pire haragadi 1 1 da 2 plus also 3 4 ade 1 da 2 plus also 2 3 3 lai ꯃꯊꯪꯗ 4 5 ꯃꯊꯪ 6 7 8 9 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯇꯔꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 1 ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 2 2ꯗ 1 ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 3 3ꯗ 1 ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 4 4ꯗ 1 ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 5 ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯄꯣꯁ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ B1 ꯁꯤꯗ 1 ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔ 1 ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯒ B2ꯗ 2 ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯕ B1ꯗ 1 ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤ B2ꯗ 2 ꯊꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 1 8 ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯦꯇꯔꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ 1 1 + 1 2 2 + 1 3 3 + 1 4 5 6 7 8 ꯅ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ꯑꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ 1 ꯏꯔꯒ B1ꯗ 1 B2ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 3 ꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ 1ꯗ 2 ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 3 2 3 4 ꯑꯗꯩ 1 1ꯗ 2 ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 2 3 ꯂꯩꯔꯦ 3ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ 2 ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ 4 5 ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 1 ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯁꯤ B1ꯁꯦ 1 ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ B2ꯗ 3 ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯄꯥꯏꯔ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯇ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯐꯣꯂꯣꯋꯤꯡ ꯄꯦꯇꯔꯟ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯏꯟ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯕꯇꯝ ꯃꯈꯥꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔ ꯕꯣꯛꯁ ꯗꯣꯠ ꯗꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯦꯕꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯆ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ ꯃꯦꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯇ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯃꯟꯗꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯗꯦ ꯋꯦꯗꯅꯦꯁꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯦ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯏꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯐꯦꯕꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯃꯟꯗꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯗꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯇ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ and I'll explain this in practical also ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯦ just I'm explaining verbally here okay ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯅꯤꯗꯣ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯎꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ Now let's see here. For example, to insert the list of months in a year, you can follow the steps. The list of months in a year. See January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Pulai je. This je koina enter tauge hai lade insert tauge hai kadi kamai tauni. Enter January in cell number A1. A1 je January happy ani. Place the mouse pointer on bottom right corner of the cell. It will change to a plus sign. Kind of plus sign when on gina sigi January sana ibiro January matunda just you click on this A1 cell A1 se click tong matamda sigi box sigi right ki bottom gi saida dark oiba square macha ma leine ko adina na mouse pointer pura ga smain thamba matamda the mouse pointer will change to a plus sign dark oiba plus sign am on gane smain ko hana cross sign lena mado adu si je dark oiba plus sign am on gane sida click and drag the mouse to the cell 12 cell A12 sagi click toraga cell A1 se click toraga chingaga namaga left mouse button namaga thamada don't release the left mouse button you click on left mouse button hold and drag the mouse till A12 okay to then release the mouse and this February March up to December will be automatically filled February dagina December box automatically loima fill to khaneba this is known as autofill using the autofill handle we can fill the remaining name of the month remaining month ma'am say automatically fill tawani no need to write these no need to write the remaining names of the month digana January khak iraga atai lemoriba maming hinde ibagi mathau tararoi akoina autofill handle pairaga season click dot singo matamda menu fill tawjarane okay this is how we use this autofill handle likewise for the day of the week also you can write here first the Monday natra Sunday Sunday iradi Sunday do click tobani duga sida autofill handle mapadi da click tawraga drag tawraga chingaga si A7 bu click tawma tumda Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday automatically run fill tawrane and one thing like this also you can do it now from March ki mapadi da you click on March after displaying all this names of the 12 months after displaying this you just click on this March cells is the click over then you can click here on the bottom right corner of the cell A3. See A3 se haibdi mark lai je mapa se da bottom right corner se da autofill handle mapa do click tobiro. Then you can drag, you can click and drag. You click toraga drag toraga chingo so na right side da. March ki matung da kai thani March matung da April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December sa ki so na kanda right side chingo so February de musing adi February so na right side chingo da March, April, May, June, July sa ki adumaiना mathang mathang yelom da chalagadi magi mathang la ko chalani nanga suppose oirom da lemo oirom da chalagadi February mamanda kai lei January mamanda kai lei December ngam chakide like this we can use the autofill angle that also I'll tell you practically afterwards practically kona mo kona padana mo hake hujikina sana haisna only hana explain to bani now after this let's see how to use the auto sum feature using auto sum feature je koina kamai to yengi you can use the auto sum button in Excel to quickly sum the values in a row or a column in an Excel worksheet ta koina row natraga column da sigi auto sum button sizinaba yai the auto sum button is located in the editing group of the home tab shown in figure number 23A see 23A the origin is the auto sum lazy by the home tab की editing group ta see editing groups the home tab की editing groups le de yawi auto sum handle sina kamaina season agani let's see here let us learn how to use it with the help of an example now create a worksheet as shown in in the first table in figure number 23b 23b the uliba kamaina table lama create toro now after creating this table now what are the now we create a table giving the names of the fruits and the numbers suppose we bought the banana 15 bananas apple 23 apples then oranges 40 grapes 100 guava 50 guava and 10 pineapples now if you want to total number of fruits you can write here total and you can add and write the total number of fruits here total number of fruits is e now how we do that now let's say here create a worksheet and sort in figure number in the first table in figure number 23b first table says my busy now click in the cell in which the sum is to be placed nanga si plug total doraga thamningiba cell mapada only here side side amai to be but nanga tawiba click toriba pada nang sum nangi total number of fruits tholaka dine adina koina phajabada yengbada phajana bidamukta total number of fruits to total tharaga sigi yelom thangwa cell se si mapani da haibadi idi kano b8 sida display to holaje b8 in the case mi kongina b8 da haidi sida total siri mamje total to saraga b8 da display to dine now press the enter key and see the now click on the auto sum button sida click to bira matungda b8 sida click to matungda sigi auto sum sida click to biro auto sum sida click to matamda press the enter key and see the result and sida thamaga enter pu matamda sigi 238 se automatically hapa ane na sigi lema mathakta magi mathakta laiba number sing se loina ma add tawraga makha da ula ne 238 se ulai you can use you can also use autofill tool to calculate column wise sum column oina column 1 2 3 column oina jam jai sisna second row third row fourth row fifth row sixth row seventh row plus toraga row plus toraga se thammani da adu sumaina column a b c d memama a toraga so na connection answer do thammajo kichu kaide okay you can use autofill handle to calculate column wise sum also column wise sum ji hai sina row wise sum ni column wise sum to so kichu kaide automatically fill to holaga half ani se this is how we use the auto sum feature is just the formula used over only we are showing here for the only for the auto sum there are many functions and formulas also we can apply on this excel sheet कोई excel sheet da many formulas and function ma'am season of ya ba ado huji ki oina just the starting we body da koina only autofill auto sum se season of the command season je koina haiba wani koina autofill season of ya khange auto sum season of khange adu khatani sida hai je go Now, do not use too many font styles in a worksheet. It may distract you from reading the contents. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ font style ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ font style ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯨꯅꯣꯕ. Font style ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯖꯔꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯖꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ font style ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ headingꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯈꯔ maximize खर नंबर दो खर मैक्सिमाइज तौरगा माई फोन तो अदुगा कलर गुम्बा हापगा हेडिंग दा अतैदुना मखादा लैबसिंदुरा मचु अमा खतंग चप मानना साइज अमा खतंग चप मानना हापिरगदि डिस्ट्रैक्ट तौदेना अदु नत्रगदि अना मचु जा अमदम कलि करमना हेडिंग नो करमना हेडिंग नतबनो खंगरोय अदुदुना अखोइना फोन सिजनना फोन स्टाइल सिजनना मतंदा सिंगल वर्क सिजनना फोन स्टाइल टू मेनी फोन स्टाइल्स मैम हापदो जो हापोइदबने फोन स्टाइल only heading dena font style am hapani makhagi leiba sinduna font style tonga ma hapan lore adu kata kata bida koi font style me amadu somdu every line putting font style absolutely mind to distract orakane. Now use colors whenever necessary sidai colors si koi dakha tang katang hapio adi heading duri khara font to khara cholo size to aduga font style do ama hapi raga machu ama sangbiro adu makha taba singduna tonga nam sangbiro na joi mayam ama sangjallagadi अखोई फोन स्टाइल मैम दो यामंदना ज्ञान लेन तारारोय करमना करिनो खंगरोय इना डिस्ट्रैक्ट तौखने. Take a clear printout or of your worksheet only if it is required, otherwise it will be waste of paper as well as the cartridge ink of your printer. Mukto kanadabada color low bisopudi kanangi printer gi ink to cartridge hadi color yoiba cartridge hadi magi ink hapibo kono print tongno photo do machu do color print out loba daka le kana khatan color print out lobi natragadi color print out lobi kanadi natragadi che ju mangani duga color ju aliem da mangai dana color print out nang daka ta khatan lobi yu haibni. Now let us recall editing a worksheet means modifying, altering or deleting its content. Editing habji kaino modify toba chendok semin toba amasung koina kathat khiba delete to khiba content do adu koina editing haiba. Then formatting gives a more professional look to the document and makes it more presentable. कोई formatting है जी font hapa color संगबा मैम से कोई formatting तो मतमदा professional ओहली look ता दुगा कोइना मैम दा present तो मतमदा फजाली दुगा attractive ओहले. The contents of a worksheet can be copied and moved in the same worksheet or to the other worksheet तो पता copied नत्रगा move तो भी आई कटौरगा. Format auto format is a built-in collection of predefined layout चीज़ जो मैं auto format से कोई ना built-in collection of predefined layout में हमें और इसी तरह से auto format के लिए यंग है among the कोई ना number formatting imply changing the representation of a number such as in the form of decimals currency and so on currency भी मतलब कोई की पैसे दा लाख मतलब 2 decimal places हापा जो 1000 places से कोमा थंबा. I told you just now. And this also which mamanga si which the mamanga high kibaduni automation tool is used to quickly sum the values of a row or a column. Automation tool is na keno yam thuna akoina number mayam ama column da laiba natraga row da laiba number mayam ama akoina 8 option na bai da makta akoina sigi automation option season hai automation button season hai ga akoina tawi. Now this was what I told you just now. Sigi head mamangda akoina je aina automation kibado aduni automation dana sumai tawga season hai akoina go akoina kaigumba number mayam ama yam ba number do akoina 8 to ge haragadi just akoina calculator number singo sum namaga loiraga plus option ne ado akoina nama matam de soi basu yaw bi but excel dagi akoina hojiki number mayam do fajana yengaga fajana number type to birani do loira kanda number mayam do mu 8 to drasu calculator mu season ga mu 8 to drasu akoina auto sum function je auto sum function season ga akoina click tawraga hojiki number mayam do han suppose 100 numbers lai ga 100 numbers do loina ma 8 to bi yai sana hojiki mamang do kibu mai. Now here completes our chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 say loire say da. Now see chapter number 7 say loire matung da again I'll go through chapter number 7 practically among sa mathang taksarake practically ta matamdadi sumaina dia practical khatani sara to explain to budi loirabani sida adu sana sida yaukiba han mamangda yaukiba mayam do kamaina to wi undo kamaina to wi redo kamaina to wi format text sama kamaina to wi font size kamaina font change sabuni font color kamaina hapkani background kamaina hapkani border kamaina hapkani auto fill handle kamaina sijani auto sum kamaina sijinagani haibu practically ha rona hairage aduga next chapter number 8 honaba but in now for today let's wind up here for today's class. In the next video session class I'll explain chapter number 7 in practically. I'll explain the chapter number 7. Okay, now for today let's stop here. I'll explain all the topics which we have done in chapter number 7 more on MS Excel 2010 practically in the next video session class. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.